When a client walks into our office and tells us they only have a short time to live, our planning options are limited. In some tragic cases, we are called to the client's bedside because they're so weak or just too injured to travel. No matter what the circumstances, these deathbed planning sessions are always emotionally taxing, placing an incredible emotional burden on the person who's dying. Here are things that we'd like you to know about this last minute planning if this is happening to you or a loved one. Number one, key documents. Your lawyer is likely going to recommend these key documents to have in place. A last will and testament. B, a power of attorney. And C, healthcare proxies. They'll also want you to update any beneficiaries and assets and accounts that you have in your name. Number two, a will, not a trust. If death is expected within weeks or shorter, it's likely that executing a trust in order to save probate costs or direct the use of an asset after you're gone or provide other benefits such as protecting an heir from debtors or claims in divorce will no longer be possible. A will be your only tool. Tax planning. In this situation, it's really hard to do much tax planning. The IRS has a 3-year clawback period to prevent someone from making tax advantage gifts right before they die. But we should note that there is an exception. There is a gift limit in 2022 of $16,000, and you can make gifts to as many individuals as you like to draw down your estate. So it is within the lifetime exemption of $12 million. Note, this is going to drop in 2025. So please keep that in mind if you have a taxable event when you die. Next, please keep in mind state of mind. When a person is making a deathbed estate plan, they are fraught with such emotions. It's going to be difficult to think clearly about a detailed asset list, engage in a thoughtful discussion about family gifts. You may remember someone or something hours or days later, and you want an even rapid change to your plans. But because of your health, there may not be enough time. So please keep that in mind about your state of mind. Next, undue influence. Your advisor is going to ask family members to leave the room to avoid future claims when they're talking to you or having your documents signed. This could be very traumatic, not only for you, but for your loved ones. So please, again, keep this in mind when we are in this terrible situation. So as you can see, there are a lot more issues involved when we are planning a deathbed estate plan. Your best course of action, of course, plan ahead. But when that's not possible, please click below for an appointment with our firm so that we can be there for your family and you to avoid any future challenges in probate and give you peace of mind.